Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with McKaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, your dealership for the people. And what we're going to be talking about today is actually a pretty neat video, because most of y'all, when y'all buy a vehicle like this, is because you either have kids or you're trying to have a good mile per gallon, or both. I'm going to show you how to actually anchor up your car seat. And the way you do it is that the vehicle actually has a couple tie downs here. This here is for where you hook up your strap for your seatbelt. There's one here, one on the other side, and same thing on the other side. So if you have two car seats, this is where you actually anchor those. Now again, you will hook up one here, run it through your car seat, and hook it up on the other end. You also are going to have a third strap that you're going to have to connect, which is going to be for the back side. Now again, you have a strap, a hook up here, another hook up here, and another hook up here. So again, you don't use all three of them for one car seat, you use one per. And that's how you would actually strap your car seat to this vehicle. You want to be as safe as possible, especially carrying little kids. So that's an actual real easy steps to do it. If you guys have any questions, or you just wanted me to make sure your car seat is strapped all the way, come see me in Gladewater, Texas. My number is 903-746-4630. And this was just a quick video on how to hook up your car seat to this vehicle. Bye bye.